Hey, referee me! Referee me. I mean, I already knew he did. So basically, I'm kind of stupid. My bad. Bro, Pack, move! Pack, move! Pack, stop! Bro. I'm trying to keep the ball. Bro, you got him sacked! Good job! Bro, good job, Pack. I sent it in IFL General. Bro, shut up. That's a quick hike, by the way, but like, you guys gonna suck at reffing. I mean, Nuke, it's kind of too late now. Yo, why did... Yo, shoot, hold up. I'm gonna expose the code. I literally sent it in IFL. Just look. I don't know. What did you do? What did you do, Nuke? Oh, shoot, I better... Wait, did they actually forfeit? What happened? Oh, wait. Oh, stats! Right. Here we go. Passing, rushing, receiving, secondary, defensive line, special, passing, rushing, receiving.
Yes, they do. Shut up, record. Yes, they do. Shut up, record.